Hi everyone, Imran from Car Sounds Secure in East London. Today we've just finished doing an installation on an Audi A3 2015. This came into us without no reversing camera. It's got a original MMI screen that just pops up here, but no camera on it. We're getting a lot of cars like this, so we can retrofit on these vehicles. So let me just give you a quick demonstration. Let's turn the ignition on, wait for the screen to pop up. So now what I'll do is I'll pop it in reverse and bam, the camera comes up. Take it back out of reverse, goes back to original. Again, pop it in reverse, camera comes up. Now also, these have got moving guidelines, so if I just turn the wheel, as you can see here, you can see the lines sort of bend in the right direction as well. So really cool. What we use is approved interfaces, which are mounted sort of behind the scenes, just behind it, so there's no extra bits you will see. Everything looks OEM. So again, if I pop it in park, it will just go back to its original factory screen. Once again, when I pop it into reverse, there we go. The camera comes on. You'll see like an image of a car here, because the customer had factory sensors. When he is reversing, you'll get those sort of like color bubbles. They all work in line with our interface as well, so again, you don't lose any features from the OEM aspect of the vehicle. Doing a hell of a lot of these on Audis, Sprinters, BMWs, etc. I guess the manufacturer's getting a bit tight when they're selling the vehicles, because it's coming with sensors but no camera, and it's probably an essential nowadays. So if you're interested in getting something like this on your vehicle, you've just bought a vehicle, hasn't got a reversing camera, then get in contact with us, and the details for getting in contact with us are at the bottom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.